Okay, so some trolls came into my comment section and were actually trying to debunk me. They were basically misleading my audience. So basically, on a video that I just made not too long ago, was basically on an article that I found that they're trying to propose a law so that mothers can kill their babies 28 days after the baby has been born. This is not to go against the original Section 669 of Maryland of the law. This is what they are trying to propose. But yet people came in, oh, you're a liar. He's trying to deceive you. All this stuff. Calling me a liar. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys some articles and stuff. You guys can read for yourself. If there's anything more that you guys would like to learn, you guys can easily Google it. Google through the same source I used. But I'm going to show you guys for those that are being lazy. And do not post links in here. It has nothing to do with me trying to hide the truth. It's me not allowing people to promote on my channel. Do not promote. Do not post links. If you don't want to be hidden from my channel, do not advertise. I have protection on YouTube turned on so people can't advertise. So immediately it goes into spam. There's a spam section on your channel. So anyways, I'm going to show you guys a bit of what I've read. Okay, guys. So here it is. It says, babies could be killed 28 days after birth under proposed Maryland law, attorney warns. Now, this is coming from an attorney right here, which I'm going to believe over random people coming in saying that I'm a liar on my YouTube channel or that I've been misguided or misinformed. Because no matter what article you read on this, it all comes down to the same thing. But anyways, it says, Senate Bill 669 could be interpreted to allow for abortions through the first month after the baby is born, a legal analyst says. Annapolis, Maryland legislation proposed in the Maryland Senate would allow babies to be left to die for as long as the first 28 days after birth, according to analysis from a pro-life attorney. And then it says, Senate Bill 669 is also known as the Pregnant Persons Freedom Act of 2022. But the problems go beyond the use of person in place of accurate references to women having babies. Senator William Smith, a Democrat, sponsored the legislation, which will have a hearing on March 15th. The bill also proposes a revision of the fetal murder manslaughter statute that would serve to handcuff the investigation of infant deaths unrelated to abortion. American Center for Law and Justice attorney Olivia Summers wrote in her analysis. This is because the legislation prohibits investigations and criminal prosecutions for women and medical professionals for a failure to act in relation to a perinatal death. Right here, everyone. CBN News. ACLJ warns proposed Maryland Senate bill could legalize infanticide up to 28 days after birth. And it says, in preparation for a possible U.S. Supreme Court ruling that could overturn Roe v. Wade this summer, Maryland is the latest state trying to enshrine abortion access into its state constitution. And then it says, two bills before the state legislature aim to do just that. House Bill 1171, titled Declaration of Rights, Right to Reproductive Liberty, is a proposed amendment to the Maryland Constitution that would establish that very person as a central component of the individual's right to liberty and equality, has the fundamental right to reproductive liberty, prohibiting the state from directly or indirectly denying, burdening, or abridging the right unless justified by a compelling state interest achieved by the least restrictive means. And then it says, if passed by the legislature, Marylanders would vote on the proposed amendment in the general election this November. Okay? And then it says, the other bill is called Senate Bill 669, or the Pregnant Persons Freedom Act of 2022. It is summarized as, for the purpose of altering certain provisions of law relating to the termination of a pregnancy and investigations of or criminal penalties or civil liabilities for a pregnant person or a person assisting a pregnant person, prohibiting a certain provision of law that requires a termination of a pregnancy by a licensed physician from being construed to apply to a certain pregnant person and generally relating to the termination of pregnancy. Okay, and now it says, the bill reiterates current state law depriving unborn persons of all rights. Nothing in this section shall be construed to confer personhood or any rights on the fetus, the bill reads. Pro-life advocates warn that under this bill, a baby who survived an abortion could just be left to die without care. But then the measure reportedly goes one step further. No type of legal investigation would be permitted or any type of penalty be applied to anyone involved in leaving a baby to die. And there's other links on this, as you guys can see. There's a whole thing on this. Even if you want to call it part of abortion, it's no longer abortion when the baby's already out of the womb. But yet they can still kill the baby 28 days after it's been born? And they're still considering that abortion? No, I think not. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Keep up to date with everything, guys. Stay tuned to my videos, and I'll keep making content. But as for now, I'll see you all next time.